All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So yes, I've finally gotten in a swap here. So there's a crazy story behind this device right here. So initially, when I made both of my purchases for the Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4, this is the color that I went for. I went for a 256 gig blue, and that's exactly what this is. But you saw me initially unbox the Bora Purple in 128. Well, there was a reason for that because Samsung kept delaying my package for some reason, and they kept telling me that it was out of stock. So I mean, it was just a mess the first time around. So I kept trying to get any color I could get. And then all of a sudden I get notification that this is in stock. And you know, I was able to send the other one back, get the memory option of 256, came within 3 days, and I'm done. I still don't have my Z Fold 4 though. They claim it's delayed and just hasn't left the warehouse yet. Crazy, right? I was able to swap out. I was able to swap out the other device, get the color I wanted, right? And then have it set up and back within 72 hours, but I still don't have my other phone. Now, the reason I wanted to get this color is because I really like the blue color. It's really nice. I have several blue devices, and I have the blue S22 Ultra, which is a completely different shade. It's crazy. And then I have my blue iPhone 13 Pro Max again, which is a whole nother shade. These all look different. It's so strange that they look so different in in the way they look. I think Samsung should bring out a blue Fold 4. But this device right here, finally I got it in, and I'm pretty excited about it. This is the color I wanted. I got the memory option I wanted, which was 256 gig. And you know, the crazy part is now the blue is out of stock, it says, and it's just, I don't know what's going on with Samsung this time around, but I've just had the worst experience. It's just crazy. But you know, the blue looks really good. And another reason why I wanted to swap out with the blue again, because the Bora Purple wasn't my initial color to get. But one of the main reasons, another reason was I didn't want to have two purples around here. So I ordered my wife a 512 purple with the purple leather case. And I didn't want to get them mixed up. And I thought, you know what, I'll just go ahead and swap mine out because I was really wanting the blue anyway. And here is the blue. So yeah, I'll continue my journey with the Z Flip 4. And I'll keep you posted on my Z Fold 4. You'll see it just pop up on the channel once I finally get it in. I'm giving you updates as I do videos, no matter which video I do, because I'm getting so many comments and I'm flooded with messages saying, when are you going to review the Z Fold 4? And the answer is I purchased it on launch day, and they just say it's sitting in Coppell, Texas, hasn't left the warehouse. Nonetheless, this blue is really sleek, really nice. I do like the purple, I gotta add, but the blue looks really good. So I'll do a side by side with the purple and the blue once my wife's 512 gets in. And I also got the purple leather case, and the Pro Buds actually got those two all purple. I think it is. I think they're all purple. I'm not sure. But nonetheless, that also got delayed too. They claim that one's back ordered now. And my initial delivery date for that one was actually the 12th, which was today at the recording this video. And it got moved to the 23rd, and now it's moved to the 30th. So I don't know what's going on with Samsung with their shipping or whatever with my particular orders, but every order I've placed has come back bad. Like if something goes wrong with it. So as you can see here on my Z Flip 4, I'm still running dual SIM. That's the way I'm running. I'm running T-Mobile and Fi. Those are the numbers that I really need to get calls on, and so I have to have them. I prefer to carry them both in the same device. Now, once I get my iPhone 14s in, I've got the Pro coming in deep purple Terabyte, and then I have I ordered the 14 Plus as well in blue. So I can't wait to see how that goes with that 14 Plus, because the 14 Plus is basically I'm just getting rid of my blue 13 Pro Max because I have a green 13 Pro Max, and then I want to try out the blue. Not the blue. I want to try out the 14 Plus because it's basically just a watered down 13 Pro Max that costs less, but you get the better camera setup on the 13 Pro Max. So I will compare tons of camera footage for the 14 Pro that I get in against the 13 Pro Max, and then I'll also compare the 13 Pro Max against the 14 Plus and vice versa. I will get all these comparisons done, and I'll compare my Z Fold with the Z Flip. I'll also compare it with this. I'll get all these videos done as soon as I can get some products in. It's just become super difficult for me to deal with Samsung and get anything I want. So I don't know what the deal is. I don't know why they keep pushing my orders back. But yeah, again, oh, and also the 512 purple one that I ordered for my wife, I actually ordered that on the 3rd, and today is the 12th. And remember, it was supposed to be delivered today, but it's the 30th. So I wanted to reiterate that. So if you see the purple again, that just means it came. Now I'm not really going to go into reviewing the purple one ever, because I've already unboxed it and you know what it looks like. But I just want to compare the color next to the blue. And I got to tell you folks, the blue in person is so subtle. This is the color that I originally ordered and had to cancel because of Samsung's errors. Now also shout out to my man Will H. He actually has the blue, and once I saw his on camera too, I was like, oh man, yeah, that just confirms my original thoughts on this device. And I went on ahead and said, once I saw a notification that it was available, I was like, how's this available now? It shows backordered everywhere. And sure enough, I got it in 3 days, and they gave me a refund for the other one, and this one came right in, and I just went back in and bought it, and it came in 3 days. So here it is, man. The Z Flip 4. Wow, this is incredible that I'm doing all this and I still don't have my Z Fold 4. But we're gonna keep it pushing, man. I'm not even really. I got a lot of patience when it comes to this stuff, I guess, because it's just stuff. But I really do want my device. So for those that keep asking about my iPhone footage, it is coming, man. Friday, September 16th, if my device actually comes. It's already out. It's already on the way. I've gotten my tracking information and everything, and so it's ready to go. If that device does in fact come on Friday, depending on what time it comes, I will put the video up. Again, those asking me what I got the Deep Purple 1 TB Pro. So it's your man Jay. Wow, I really like this color. This is such a beautiful color. And the Z Flip 4's battery, man, is actually really good. So I got some more stuff in from Whitestone Dome. Actually, I have a lot of stuff from Whitestone Dome. I don't know that I'm going to be replacing, like I'll probably do the, because this is the Premium Gen film. I'll probably do the part that covers like the hinge and this front area more than likely. And that's probably going to be it for that. I might do the back cover. Well, I might go ahead and do this one actually, because this one has the front cover too, but it already has a display on there, man. And I don't want to take that off. And then also I have these as well. I got some a case in from them. I'll show you what that looks like. It looks pretty cool. I kind of cracked it open, and then you've got the tempered glass on there as well. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. The blue is now. I got what I originally wanted. Now I just need to wait on my fold. I'll bring you more coverage once I get a chance, folks. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.